Hello, what's going on guys? Rory Goddard here. If you're struggling to make affiliate sales in your affiliate marketing business, then you need to watch this video. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to generate not just a lot of traffic, but good quality traffic to your affiliate links. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to make sure that you're converting this traffic at a higher rate. So do stay tuned for that. And then at the end of this video, if you stick all the way to the end of this video, I'm also going to show you how you can get access to our 100% free training to help you put all of this into place. Alright, so like I said, we're going to start off by talking about how to generate good quality traffic and a lot of it. What I'm not going to be recommending in this video is solo ads. Now, if you don't know what solo ads are, essentially it's the process of going to someone who has a huge email list and asking them to send out an email to their list, and obviously you pay them a fee for that. This kind of traffic is junk traffic. It does not convert well. The leads that you're getting, who knows where they're coming from, and the fact of the matter is they just don't convert well. If your sole goal is to build a huge email list, then potentially it's something that you might do. But if you want to make affiliate commissions and at a high rate, then do not use solo ads. What I will be recommending is utilizing strategies where you build a connection with your target audience, where you provide a lot of value to your audience. And the way that you do this is going to mostly be through some sort of social media channel. So that might be through, and it's best that you identify both where your target audience is most likely hanging out online, but also what you feel is going to be right for you. Now, the different sort of social media channels that you might choose are, you've got the obvious ones like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest. You might also consider blogging, so creating a blog, and people going into Google and searching for different information and then your blog showing up. They're probably the main channels of traffic that I would recommend. Ideally, out of all of those different methods, those traffic sources, the two that I like the most personally are blogging and YouTube. The reason being is because these are what you call search traffic. So there are people out there on these different search engines, on YouTube, on Google, on Bing, on Yahoo, actually going out and typing in searches that they're wanting to find information about. So what you can do with both of these traffic sources is you can actually find ways of going out and finding out what people are actually searching for, so that you can start creating content around that. So whatever your target market audience is looking for, you can find out what that is and create content for them. And by providing them with that free value up front, you're giving them the chance to get to know, like, and trust you, so that when you actually make a recommendation to them, they know that you care, they know that you understand where they're at and where they're coming from, and therefore they're going to trust that you actually have the ability to provide them with a recommendation that's actually going to help them with whatever it is that the product or service is for. So this is really important, guys, providing a hell of a lot of value to your target audience through some sort of social media channel. Like I said, I like blogging and YouTube, but another one that I really like is also Facebook. So creating a Facebook page and a Facebook group, and utilizing that as well, connecting with people on Facebook, going into other people's groups and providing value within the community, answering people's questions, posting valuable content within those groups, and then creating your own group and attracting people to that as well. These are all really great strategies for generating quality traffic that has actually built a connection with you, gotten to know you, gotten to like you, gotten to trust you, so that when they're going to be much more likely to actually make a purchase when you're recommending a product to these people. And the other great thing about this type of traffic is when you have other products that you might want to promote further down the track, again, this type of traffic is going to be more likely to actually, continue buying from you, because you've built up this trust with them, and they know that you care, they know that you understand where they're from, you know that you have the understanding to be able to give them the best recommendations for them to overcome their challenges or get them closer to their goals. So this is the first step, guys. Focus on providing a lot of value to your target audience through social media channels. What I will say, guys, is this type of traffic source, it may take a longer time to actually start gaining traction and earning commissions through this. But once you do start gaining traction and start getting traffic to your social media platform, whatever you've chosen, it's really going to pay off. All of the best, most successful affiliate marketers out there are using these sorts of organic traffic methods, and they all started with these organic traffic methods to build up their connection with their target audience. Just trust me on this, guys. I know that it will take a little bit of work, and it will take a bit of a learning curve to put this into place, but it will pay off if you can be consistent and stick with it long term. All right, so obviously the next step now is the traffic that we're getting through our social media platform that we've chosen. We want to be directing this traffic to our affiliate links and the products and services that we're promoting. So what's the best way of doing this? And the best way here is definitely to be sending them to a landing page. Now, if you don't know what a landing page is, I'm going to discuss that in a moment, but essentially what a lot of beginner affiliate marketers do, they go out there and they get the affiliate link to the product or service that they're wanting to promote, and that's where they send their traffic. They send them directly to the sales page of the product or service that they're promoting. This is not how you want to do it, guys. If you want to actually build a long-term sustainable business with affiliate marketing, you want to be sending your traffic to a landing page. So what is a landing page? What are all the components to a good landing page, and why is it important? So we're going to go through that now. So essentially all a landing page is it's somewhere where you'll send your target audience, and there's basically nowhere else that they can go except for, they can only take one action. So it's not like sending someone to a website where there's all these different links, all these different places that they can go. You're directing them to a website where there's only one action that they're able to take. And that is usually it's going to be to sign up to some sort of free giveaway. So what you want to be doing, guys, is you want to be creating something that you can give away to your target audience. It's going to help them, get them a little bit closer to overcoming the challenges or the problems that they're wanting to overcome, or getting them closer to their goals. And what you want to be doing in this free content, so it might be an ebook, it might be a video training series, it might be a coaching call, it might be it could be anything like that. And what you want to be doing, you want to be providing a lot of value in this free giveaway, but you also want to be teaching them the what and the why of the product that you're promoting. So you want to be teaching them what it is and why it's important, how it's going to help them. But you're not just doing that, you're also providing them with value. You're giving them practical tips or information that is actually going to help them as well. But in the process, you're teaching them the what and the why, and then you're selling them the how. So you're showing them what the product is, why it's important, and then the product is the how. This is how they're actually going to get the end result that they're looking for. This is really important because people don't really buy straight away when they see something. They need to have a full understanding. The more understanding you can give them, the more comfortable they're going to feel making the purchase. But if you're offering this free giveaway to them as something that's actually going to also help them get closer to their goals, then they're going to opt in for it. So the way that they're going to receive this free giveaway is they're going to enter in their email address. So if you look on the screen here, this is just an example. So you want a hook at the top of your page, something that's going to hook them in, something that that they're going to be interested in, something that's they're going to feel compelled to sign up to hand over their email address for. So you've got the hook at the top there, and then we've just got this there's a little bit of information about what they'll learn by opting in, and then all they have to do is enter in their email address, and then they'll be directed, and then they'll be able to receive the free giveaway. And like I said, in that giveaway, you're providing them with really good quality value. So you giving them, more of a chance to get to know, like, and trust you, but you're also teaching them the what and the why of the product so that you can sell them the how, which is the product or service that you're promoting. Really important, guys. And the other reason this is important is because you're also getting to collect their email address. You're building your business, and what they've shown through scientific studies is that it takes an average of 7 points of contacts before someone actually feels comfortable to pull out their wallet and hand over money for something. So by collecting their email, you can keep following up with them. You can keep providing them with value. That's always the most important thing. You want to be continuing to providing value every time you make contact with your ideal customer. But then you can also be continuing to educate them on the what and the why of the product. What it is, why they need it, how it's going to help them. And then you can also potentially educate them about a bonus package that they'll get if they purchase through you. And so essentially you can increase the points of contact. I don't know what's going on. Sorry about that. And then every time you're sending out an email, you're getting them that step closer and closer down the process of actually making the purchase. Really important step, guys. And the other thing, now that you've got their email address, anytime you want to promote other products or promote things that are additional things that are going to help them even further, you've got their email address. You can continue to market and sell to these people long after they've opted in. Sometimes it might take someone 6 months before they make a purchase. You might have all these people on the list, and then out of the blue you might start seeing sales 6 to 12 months down the track if you just continue making contact with these people through your emails, providing them with value, just the moment might be right in 6 months for this particular person that they actually go, okay, yeah, I think it's time to actually give this a try. Rory's been giving me all this value throughout all this time. I've developed a relationship with him. I can see that he cares. I can see that he understands what I need. So I feel comfortable making this purchase. All right, so the next step, guys, as soon as someone puts in their email address, you want them to be redirected to what's called a bridge page. Now, a bridge page is essentially, it's the bridge between them opting in for something from you, bridging them to actually purchasing the product or service from someone else. So the bridge page is a page where you might have like a video of yourself, just summarizing what the product is, and who's actually who's actually selling the product, why they need it, how it's going to help them, introducing yourself, showing them that it's you, giving a recommendation to the product. Again, this just builds trust. They've opted into this thing because they know you, they trust you, so they want your recommendation to purchase this product. So you want to have this bridge page where you just a little video of you explaining what the product is, why it's important for them to purchase this product, how it's going to help them, why you're actually recommending this product, why you believe in this product. Also on this bridge page, what you might be doing is here's where you really might be educating them about a bonus package. So if you can come up with some sort of bonus package that they'd almost hand over their money just to receive that bonus package, this is going to increase your conversions by a lot. So a really important thing to consider as well. And this is where you might have this laid out on this bridge page as well, but you'd also talk about it in the video on this bridge page. And then what you'd have is a button below, and in the video and on that page you would direct people to click on the button, and that's where you'd actually have your affiliate link so they could click through and purchase the product then. It just makes them have a better understanding. For some people it might be really confusing if they're opting into you and then they're getting directed straight away to a sales page from Bob, and they're like, this is a bit weird, you know, I opted into Rory's thing and now Bob's trying to sell me something. You know, creating any kind of doubt or confusion is going to you know, affect your sales. So you want to definitely include a bridge page. It will increase your conversions and it is very important. All right guys, so the next step, which we've already touched on slightly, but what you want to be doing now is you want to make sure that you have an automated email sequence set up. So an email sequence so that as soon as they've opted in, they you know, they might get an email straight away, and that might be how they actually receive the free gift that you're giving away. But then you want to have an email sequence set up at least, you know, 4 to 7 days, continuing to provide them with value, continuing to educate them about the, you know, the what and the why of the product and or the service that you're promoting. Re-educating about any bonus packages you have that they'll also get if they purchase through you. But yeah, again, like I always say, the most important thing with these emails is providing them value. You know, the point of these is to not, you know, it's really to increase the points of contact with them, but also to get them to know, like, and trust you even more. You know, give them as much value as you can in these videos, but at the same time educating them and directing them back to the product or service that you're promoting. And then what you want to be doing after this is continuing to send out what's called broadcast emails. So you might, you know, every once a week, once a fortnight, once a month, send out a broadcast email that can, you know, that's connecting with your audience, telling, you know, giving them a bit of a story about you, something motivational, something like that. Just a broadcast email that isn't, you know, directly related to the product or service that you're promoting, but, you know, it might still link back to that product or service. So yeah, definitely want to set up an automated email sequence and send out broadcast emails to your list once that starts building up as well. All right, so that's it for this video. Like I said at the start, I do want to give you access to a 100% free training unit, going in a little bit deeper into how to actually set up a successful, long-term, sustainable business using affiliate marketing. Within this training, you'll also be taught how to actually gain access to My Funnel. So actually you'll be able to download My Funnel and use it as your own. You'll have access to the free giveaway to be able to attract leads. You'll be able to people who purchase through you, you'll be able to offer them the same bonus package that I'm offering. So if you're interested in that, do head down to the description and click the first link, sign up to the training, and you'll find everything in there. Other than that, guys, I really hope you have gotten value from this video. You know, it's given you a few tips on how you should, you know, what changes you might need to do to increase your sales, or if you're only just getting started, you know, getting you started off on the right track. If you have gotten value and you want to show your appreciation, don't forget to hit that like button. If you want to learn, you know, more about affiliate marketing or other ways of making money online, then make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring that notification bell, and I'll see you in my next video.